Hey, so here I am with our dog family, and we're off on a trip, and I wanted to send a video out about de-stressing, and this morning I was really stressed. So this is my boyfriend, and we actually had an argument this morning, and I was making him wrong for something, and I was really wanting to be right. And what I'm more committed to, especially for the holiday season, is to connect and be connected and love with my person, with my partner, with my family. So the tip I want to give to you is, no matter what happens this holiday season, make connection matter more than being right and making the other person wrong. Make connection matter more. That is the biggest de-stressor that I can give you. Benj, anything you want to add to that?
No, I agree. I think I agree with everything that you just said. I think that's absolutely correct.
Yeah, so from our family to yours, we're on our way to up to Chico. It's a 3.5-hour drive in the rain. It's raining. So have a great, amazing holiday and Happy New Year. I'll talk with you guys soon.